Welcome to the formative assessment activity of a geographical fact file based on the continent of North America in Standard 7 Social Science. The fact file has been prepared with A4 plain white paper and color paper with folds and cuts. It has key points about the location, extent, physical setting, physical divisions, climate, natural vegetation, agriculture, important minerals, industries, population growth, distribution and density of the population in the continent of North America. North America was discovered in 1501 by the Italian navigator Amerigo Vespucci, who sailed to the coast of the mainland. Then the continent was called by the first word of his name, Amerigo, America. It is mostly inhabited by Europeans who made use of Mexico's gold. North America is located entirely to the north of the equator. There are 24 countries in North America. Canada, United States of America, and Mexico are the three large countries by their size. North America is surrounded by the Atlantic Ocean in the east, the Pacific Ocean in the west, and the Arctic Ocean in the north. It is separated from the continent of Asia by the Bering Strait. It has a land link with South America by the Isthmus of Panama. The continent of North America is divided into four major physical divisions. They are the Western Cordilleras or the Rocky Mountains, the Great Central Plains, the Appalachian Islands, the Coastal Plains. North America has a few large and short rivers. The Mississippi and its tributaries form the great river system of North America. These together drain two-thirds of the area of the continent and finally flow into the Gulf of Mexico. The Missouri is the most important tributary of Mississippi. The other tributaries are Red River, Ohio, Tennessee, Arkansas, and Platte. The Snake, Fraser, Columbia, Yukon, Colorado, Rio Grande, Mackenzie, Nelson, and St. Lawrence are other important rivers of North America. The Colorado, Columbia, and Fraser are the best-flowing rivers. They are short and swift and flow into the Pacific Ocean. River Colorado and River Columbia are the west-flowing rivers and they are short and swift. The River Columbia flows across the Columbian Plateau. The Colorado River drains into Colorado Plateau and forms the Grand Canyon. The Canadian Shield is drained by many small rivers and flows into the Hudson Bay. The St. Lawrence is an important river of United States of America and Canada. It passes through the Great Lakes. It remains frozen for 3 months in a year. A number of lakes form the unique physical features of this continent around the Canadian Shield. North America has a large number of freshwater and saltwater lakes. They are situated on the southern border of the Canadian Shield. Huron, Ontario, Michigan, Erie, and Superior are the important lakes. Together they are called HOMES. This is an acronym. Lake Superior is the largest of the Great Lakes and it is the freshwater lake in the world. Chicago and Detroit are situated on the Michigan and Erie Lakes, respectively. In Canada, Lake Winnipeg is very important. Great Lakes serve as important waterways. North America has a wide range of climate due to its vast latitudinal extent and varied relief features, etc. It includes extreme weather conditions ranging from freezing condition in Alaska and Greenland, the tundra type, to burning heat in the deserts of southwest United States of America. Southeastern Florida, the Caribbean, and Central America have tropical conditions. The eastern half of North America is more humid. Central and southern regions of the continent are prone to severe storms, including hurricanes and tornadoes. The natural vegetation is largely dependent on climate, soil, and relief features. Due to the great diversity in climate and relief, North America has a wide variety of vegetation. These vegetation belts broadly follow the climatic regions. They are the tundra type of vegetation found within the Arctic Circle. It is found in Canada, Alaska, and Greenland. Winters are long and freezing, and summers are very short. The only vegetation found here are mosses and lichens. Some stunted flowering plants are grown in summer season. South of the tundra belt lies the cool temperate type of climatic region. This is actually a belt of coniferous forest called taiga. The coniferous forests are evergreen and species like pine, fir, spruce, birch, etc. are found here. Deciduous type is found in east and southeast of the St. Lawrence River and Great Lakes. Northern part is cold and southern part of the region remains warm. Winters are cold but summers are warm, and rainfall occurs usually in summer. The trees found here shed their leaves in autumn. Example, cypress, oak, ash, and chestnut. The southern part of Mexico and the West Indies region have the tropical forests. Mixed forests are found here with hardwood tree logwood. The coniferous and deciduous trees are found in temperate mixed forests. Canada and North California have such forests. The important trees found in this region are birch, beech, maple, oak, etc. The west coast of California experiences the Mediterranean type of climate. The vegetation is typically adjusted to the long summer drought. Olives, oak, cork, etc. are found here. This region is also known for citrus fruits, orange. The great the desert condition is found in the western part of the continent in South California, Mexico, and Arizona. Different varieties of cactus and thorny bushes are common here. The typical example of cactus is the Joshua. Desert nights are called winters of deserts. Agriculture is an important occupation of North America. Central lowlands of the continent, especially Canada and the United States of America, are very productive agricultural countries. Only 10% of the total area of North America is suitable for agriculture, but the production from their farms is very high because large farms, rich soil, adequate irrigation, mechanized farming, other facilities with human efforts make North America one of the largest agricultural regions of the world. Regions specialized in the production of specific crops are called crop belt, corn belt, wheat belt, cotton belt, tobacco belt, etc. North America is blessed with abundant resources. The continent has rich deposits of different valuable minerals. The deposits of gold had once attracted people to this continent. Besides this, iron ore, copper, nickel, silver, and zinc are other major mineral deposits. The continent also abounds in coal, petroleum, and natural gas. Among the countries of North America, United States of America and Canada are highly industrialized. Availability of raw materials like iron ore, coal, copper, bauxite helps heavy industries. Availability of power, transport, and modern technology has helped industrialization to a great extent. Iron and steel is the basic industry, so it helps the growth of other industries like automobile, shipbuilding, locomotives, heavy engineering, aircraft, etc. Wood pulp, paper, and newsprint are produced in the United States of America and Canada. Softwood is used in making paper, pulp, cardboard, and newsprint. Pulp is used to produce synthetic fiber. Canada is one of the top exporters of pulp, paper, pulp, and newsprints. Lumbering is a highly organized job in North America. People engaged in lumbering in Canada are known as lumberjacks. Chemical industry produces a variety of articles like synthetic rubber, plastics, fertilizers, and medicines. Plastic has now replaced wood to a great extent. Plastic is prepared in all the parts of the United States of America. Chicago is famous for plastic industry. Meat packing is an important industry spread over a number of centers like Chicago, Kansas City, and St. Louis. Electrical and electronic goods are also produced on a large scale. Population density is the highest in the highlands of Mexico and Central America, but much of the northern part of the continent is almost empty, especially the far frozen north. The densely populated parts of the United States of America are urban centers and industrial regions. Nearly 98% of the population is urban in North America. The population of the Caribbean islands is less, but settlement is dense due to the limited availability of land. The cool temperate climate is found in parts of United States of America. There is a vast grassland between the Rockies and the Great River Basin, Mississippi, Missouri, which is also known as the prairies. This is actually a vast treeless plain. This plain land is known for wheat cultivation and animal rearing. It is called wheat bowl or breadbasket of the world. Thank you for viewing this geographical fact file, activity and presentation on the continent of North America. I hope you found it useful during the social science lesson.